Welcome to our detailed look at LinkBox Cloud Storage. If you're new to the world of cloud storage or simply exploring alternatives, LinkBox offers a range of features designed to make file storage secure and convenient. This video will guide you through the essentials, breaking down how LinkBox works and what it offers for individual users and businesses alike. First, let's talk about storage and accessibility. LinkBox provides easy-to-use, scalable cloud storage that's designed for everyday users as well as professionals. With LinkBox, you can securely store photos, videos, documents, and other files accessible from any device at any time. The interface is intuitive, with straightforward navigation, making it easy for beginners to get started quickly. LinkBox pricing. One of the standout features of LinkBox is its pricing structure. Unlike many other cloud storage providers, LinkBox offers a competitive plan where you can buy storage without an annual subscription, an ideal option for those looking for long-term storage. For instance, with the link provided in the description, you can get 10 terabytes of cloud storage that you only pay for once, ensuring lifetime access without worrying about recurring fees. Terms and conditions. An important aspect to consider is LinkBox's terms and conditions. The platform guarantees user privacy with advanced encryption, ensuring that your data remains safe from unauthorized access. However, as with any online service, it's crucial to understand the limitations of the terms, like data retention policies and account management practices, to know exactly how your files are managed. Advantages of LinkBox. LinkBox is designed with reliability and user-friendliness in mind. Key advantages include secure file sharing, easy collaboration tools, and high-speed uploads and downloads. Additionally, LinkBox's cross-device compatibility means that you can access your data from your desktop, mobile, or tablet without any hassle. For photographers, videographers, and digital creators needing large storage, LinkBox offers a no-frills solution that can meet demanding storage requirements. While LinkBox has a lot going for it, it's worth mentioning a couple of limitations. First, some users might find the absence of specific collaboration features, like real-time editing, a drawback if they need extensive team or tools. Additionally, while LinkBox has strong privacy measures, it's essential to read through its data policy to understand how your information is stored and used. Midway through this video, I'd like to remind you that you can get an incredible deal. Buy 10 terabytes of cloud storage forever, no annual subscription, at the link in the video description. In summary, LinkBox is a robust cloud storage solution offering both affordability and security for individuals and businesses needing a reliable backup option. The platform's simplicity, combined with strong encryption, makes it a secure choice for anyone looking to keep their digital files safe. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews. And if you found this video helpful, give it a like.